Welcome to Imran.Family kitchen. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make this wonderful Turkish style Bulgur Pilavı. Now, this is very aromatic and flavorsome, as well as nutritious. You can have it as a main or a side dish, and it often goes well with grilled chicken or meat, or grilled halloumi, as we are showing over here today. Okay, so let me do the tasting of this bulgur wheat. Something that I really enjoy, and something that's been around for hundreds of years. So let me just dig in. Quite excited to have this. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wow! That is marvelous. It has multiple charms in it because it's just so flavorsome. It's so delicious. So it goes well with this herb yogurt dip. Bismillah. Oh, wow! So let's move on to the recipe now. Okay, you saw how to make this wonderful bulgur wheat. Do like this video if you found it to be of value. And with that said, catch you in the next one.